Hey, I am making sweet corn, crispy sweet corn pops, sweet corn pakoras, sweet corn snack, whatever you want to call it. Actually, can you please leave some name for this recipe in the comments below, because that would be really helpful. And before that, can you please subscribe, guys? Please subscribe, and I will start with the recipe now. Right, so the first thing is to boil the sweet corn. So I've got a pan here, and the key is to let the water boil, bubble up, and then I'm going to throw in a good 1 teaspoon of salt in this, and then I'm going to add 300 grams of frozen sweet corn. Now you can use fresh, but it just makes life really easy to use the frozen ones. So I'm going to add the frozen ones and cook it on low heat. Let it bubble for 5 minutes. Now drain it out, and the key is to let all the water out of it. So leave it in that, what's it called? Colander, yes. That's the one. Leave in that for 2 minutes just to get rid of all the water. And then we're going to transfer it in a bowl. And now go in all the spices that is going to make this a stunning snack. So I've got 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Good mix, and what we want is that all the sweet corn things will covered nicely with all the spices. We don't want any flour or any spice loose. We want all of them properly coated, and that is what is going to make it really delicious. Once that is done, I've got some vegetable oil or sunflower oil piping hot on the hob, and once it's hot, just test it with 1 sweet corn and just 1 piece. If it sizzles and comes up to the top, means the oil is ready. Oh, perfect. So now I'm going to add all of them very, very carefully. Also, being sweet corn, it can pop. Be careful, you as well. If you just put them all and just stay a bit further away, that's just being a bit sensible. Now I'm going to let it fry properly for 3 to 4 minutes until it's golden, it's crispy, and it's ready. 5 minutes, and this looks pretty good. And now when you're going to drain it out, use some kitchen paper just to absorb all the extra oil. And just to finish, I'm going to add a tiniest bit more of the chaat masala. Look at that. And here it is, the crunchy, crispy corn. I can't wait to see what you guys call it, and I'm just going in. That's so good. I know it's deep fried, but it's a snack for occasional snack, and if you just eat with your hand, you can pick on it for ages. It's so good. Really good. Basically, instead of popcorn, you can have crispy corn. That rhymed. Instead of popcorn, you can have crispy corn. Please do give this a go. It's so good. Really good. It's got the kind of sour flavor from the chaat masala, but it's super sweet because the corn is sweet. So it's delicious. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week, and give us a like if you like the recipe.